Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make money on GTA 5 Online. And as you can see right now, I'm currently playing the game, and there are a lot of ways to make money on GTA Online, or rather the story mode for both of them. It's basically there are actually a lot. But for me, personally, I have one way, the most favorite way that I do, okay? So basically, what you want to do is go to your house where you can sleep. Okay, you have to go in front of your bed and then pull up your phone. Go to the internet right there and go to money and services. You have two choices right here, LSC or LCN exchange or Bosch or Bowsack.com. Please correct me if I'm wrong, okay? And with this one, I want to choose LCN. So as you can see right now, we're on the stock market. Basically, my way of making money here that I want to share with you guys is on the stock market. Buy the lowest price for the past 5 days, as you can see right here. For the past 5 days, starting from Friday up to Monday right now, it became down. Now buy as much as you can, and then once you bought the stocks right here, you need to click buy right there, confirm, and then just go to sleep. Okay? Basically, we need to just let the days pass, and if I correctly, with my information right here, 1 day on GTA is around 48 minutes in real life. So you don't want to save this one first, okay? This is actually really risky if you save it. For example, if you lost in that stock market exchange, you don't have any way to get back your money. Now go back to the internet, and every time you wake up, just check on your money, okay? My portfolio right there, still losing a lot of money. Remember that one's 1.48, right? Now let's go back to sleep and just repeat the process as it may go on. So please take note, you don't have to save this one, because if you save it, you'll lose the money. You don't have any other way to put it back, okay? So remember last time we checked it's 1.48. Now let's go back right now and check the internet, and let's see how much it gained. So as you can see right now, it still went down. This is the one I'm talking about earlier. So we can just restart the game and do it all over again. It's actually a risk or take, or a risk or reward option right here. It's a big reward, big risk, okay? So basically that's how you make money on GTA 5. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one, okay? Goodbye for now.